Hi.
Hi, Jim. Welcome to your audition. I'm Sandra, the casting director that you've been emailing with for the past couple of weeks. It's nice to finally see you.
Same to you.
On the call with us today also are our producers, Hank and Carol.
Hi to you both.
Hi.
Hello.
And our director, Gaston.
Bonjour.
Oh, it's wonderful to meet you, sir. I'm a huge fan.
Merci.
And I want to say just how happy I am to audition for you today. And thank you all for the opportunity. You guys have such a prestigious puppet house. Just talking to you is an honor.
Thanks. The pleasure's all ours, Jim. I see you've got your puppet there. Did you make him yourself?
I did. Yeah, his name's Dexter.
Excellent. He looks great. Hello, Dexter.
Hello.
Bonjour, Dexter.
It says on your CV that you used to be one of the Revengers. Do you want to tell us a bit about your time as a masked vigilante?
Yeah, it was certainly interesting. Yeah, it had its moments.
Do you want to show us some feats of strength before we start?
How about you lift that couch above your head?
Oh no, I'd rather not. To be honest, I'm trying to leave that part of my life behind me now. Because after a while, all the violence, it gets too much, It eats away at the soul. But I don't want to bring the mood down. I want to concentrate on my puppetry. It's what brings me joy these days.
Of course, that was just a test, Jim. A test you passed. We will not be impressed by feats of strength, only feats of puppetry.
Good.
The way we like to run these is to let our puppets do the talking. A lot of our shows are done at schools and other places that have a lot of kids, so there can be lots of noise and distractions, and what we can't have is our performers breaking. It's one of our company's big no-nos.
Okay.
So we'll have Dexter and Gaston improvise a scene. You just take your cues from Gaston. I'm sure you'll do great.
Got it.
Okay. Is there anything you want to ask us before we get started, Jim?
No, all good.
Great. Okay, so from this point forward, we only want to hear from Dexter. Let Gaston go first. And action.
Jim Chance, or should I say Herculean man, you and the Revengers are responsible for putting our master into an impenetrable maximum security offshore prison for the rest of his life. For that you shall pay with your life.
Shh. The audition.
Is everything okay there?
I'm gonna need a minute. Besides, you swore you'd never fight again. Let me handle them. Hey, ninjas! If you want the world's strongest man, you have to go through me. The world's strongest puppet!
Huh?
Go fist. Death punch.
Honourable death.
And scene! Fantastic, Dexter, fantastic. You were magnifique.
Okay, Jim, Dexter, that was great. What did you think, guys?
I'm happy.
My feelings are clear.
Well, I have some concerns.
How about we discuss those offline then? Thanks so much, Jim. We'll be in touch.
Thanks.